Hey guys, again, I'm back with another YouTube video. Sorry that my hair is like very messy. I just like got up out of my bed. I don't really like combing my hair that much. But as you guys saw by the title, my bird, she might be pregnant. Rainy and Sky. So Sky is a boy and Rainy is a girl, if you guys did not know that. My hair is like very messy. I'm so sorry about that. Do I have a hair tie? Yes, I do. Hold on, let me put my hair up. Much better. Okay, so I just put it. Okay, so she might be pregnant. So Sky, oh my god. So she has been. I'm not gonna go too close. So you find out if your bird is like pregnant is because she eats the cuddle bone. I don't know if you guys have that, but it's that white thing right there. She's been eating that. She's been eating the branch, which is really good. She's been eating a lot of food. And she's been drinking a lot of water. And my mom just recognized that she was fat yesterday. She walked into my room and said, is Rainy pregnant? I'm like, I'm not ready to have kids. Baby birds. But if I am, she has it, she has it. I don't really care. But, so we're going to go getting a nesting thing for her. Because we don't know she's pregnant. But she's just eating that. So we're going to go getting a nesting box today. She's been looking pretty fat lately. Oh no. So she's usually the size of Sky. She's usually the size of Sky. Now look at her. Are you pregnant? Huh, baby girl? Baby girl. Hey. And you can tell if your bird is a girl and a female. I mean, a girl and a boy. 'Cause that one's like a pinkish purplish. I mean, it's a girl. Then you know if it's a boy, if it's blue or purple. Oh, Rainy, are you pregnant? Okay, I need to look at her tum-tum. I can't really tell. But I think she is, so we saw at Petco, PetSmart, Petco, that there's both, that there's this coconut, and it had like a little hole you can go in, and I don't want to get that big tan box that you put birds in. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to buy a coconut, take one of the branches off, so they only use this wing, but as you guys can see now, there are two, so I'm going to have to like take a toy out or something. I want to put it back here. I think it would fit there. And, oh my god, Sky, are you looking at her? Yeah, okay. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And we'll see if we have any eggs. It's probably going to take a couple of months, but probably a couple of weeks for the eggs to come. So I don't know if she just started being pregnant. I don't know. I don't really look at their stomach a lot. I look at their face. Sky, is your little girlfriend pregnant? Yeah. So, Sky is a regular parakeet. So, Rainy is a fancy parakeet. So, I don't know why I call them girlfriend, boyfriend, but I think, yeah. So, Sky is just a regular blue parakeet, which I think it's awesome. Like, to me, myself, is like fancy, like it's not old or anything. Then Rainy, she is a fancy parakeet, which I think is awesome too. I love you. Okay, I think she wants to leave me, or I think I should leave her alone. But I'm just so excited if we get to have eggs. So I did look on the internet to see how to tell if your parakeet is pregnant, and it said that she'll eat the cuddle bone, the branch, and eat a lot and drink a lot. She's been doing that. I just looked at the cuddle bone today. Oh my god, it's destroyed a little bit. at the bottom, it's like, it's teared up. It's always been laying on the ground because they didn't really use it and they knocked it down. So I put it back up where it used to go, and hopefully she uses it. And if we have baby birds, I don't even know what I'm going to call them. I don't even know what I'm going to call my baby birds. Winter. We were going to name those two Winter and Snowflake. Rainy was going to be Winter, and then Sky was going to be Snowflake. But they didn't really look like that a little bit. Like, Winter is a girl, but we thought they were both boys, so we didn't really go with them. Like, I told my mom she wanted to name it, I forgot what she wanted to name it. Then I said Raindrop, and then she said, oh, let's name it Rainy. And then we named Sky. Oh, they're eating their millets. So, I'm just really nervous. I will be back on YouTube. Why I have not been on YouTube is because there's like, I don't even know what videos to post, but I'm going to try to start making more videos. I do have a new drone, which is on my bed, but it's covered up. It's charging right now. And I'm going to try to get some drone shots for you guys in my backyard where the pond is. Ooh, that looks so pretty. So, yeah. Bye.